If 2/3 of 1/4 of a number is 14, then 3/7 of that number is what? Let the number be x. According to the question, 2/3, that means 2/3 of x by 4 equal 14, বা এটা দিয়ে এটা কাটা দিলে 2 থাকে, 1 থাকে, তাহলে x by 6 equal 14, বা x equal 84. Now 3/7 of that number is what? Now 3 by 7 of 84 equal 312. 7 বারং 84 equal 36 is the answer.